Pakistan has a long tradition of textile production. Roughly 15 million people work in the sector. This equals 30% of the working population. Reliable, skilled workers are an essential ingredient for economic growth and development. The dialogue for compliance contributes to optimizing productivity and improving labor standards at the same time.
The main goal of the project is to showcase the strong linkages between labor standards and productivity, and it also shows to the employer that investments in labor standards have a huge return in terms of savings.
The approach was recommended by the management of Softwood, an enterprise with long-term friendly relations. It has been beset by shortcomings regarding workflow, production layout and quality management. The first step they took using the dialogue approach was to involve representatives of every department of the company, viewing the business as a microcosm.
Teaching and training was very unique. They taught us dialogue approach. We took 10 people from here, from top management to the bottom. Even our workers participate in that meeting. From the involvement of the workers, we did a lot of benefits which we are not expecting for earlier.
किस किस्म के ये ट्रॉली सिस्टम नहीं था, कुछ नंबरिंग के मसले थे, वो हल हुए हैं. ज़्यादा लाइन में मसला होता रहा, कोई चीज़ कहीं पड़ी है, कोई कहीं पड़ी है, उसमें बेहतरी आई है.
Improving the system of organization has already had a positive effect. Change management teams, or CMTs, identified how problems were interconnected.
By having CMTs, we found that we have planning mistakes. Due to our planning mistakes, sometimes our accessories are not on time. And the goods are in the lines, but the accessories are not there to stitch the garment, and our workers keep on waiting for the things. And they were much annoyed that they are going home doing anything.
A new quality management system was used to reduce the defect rate. The employees helped develop the system. One key element is to visualize bottlenecks. This new form of transparency made the workforce aware that each employee's task has an impact on the whole business. It also helped people identify with the company.
First thing we recognize from all these trainings that the worker is the most important thing, and if we invest on the workers training, workers satisfaction, we will improve ourselves day by day.
Improving the workflow and involving the employees triggered a rise in productivity. The introduction of proper organization improved work safety. At the same time, wages increased enormously and employees' overtime was reduced. The first step is to prepare a baseline study as a joint task of the consultant and the company's management. It is important to have a reality check to address the needs of the company and to build on its strengths.
There is no journal recipe, but through our dialogue approach, we identify their problems with them and they develop their solution by themselves.
The example of Softwood illustrates the value of involving employees and investing in them. Social compliance and modernization are two sides of the same coin. The dialogue for compliance is a key signpost on the path to international markets and sustainable growth.